Hi, my name is Abigail Blake, and I'm a CoreVia Pelvic Health physical therapist. CoreVia is a national pelvic health program aimed at improving access and quality of pelvic health care. CoreVia physical therapists are competency trained and assessed and are provided with access to unmatched resources and education so you can be confident that you're receiving the best possible care. Some common diagnoses treated by CoreVia pelvic health physical therapists include urinary urgency and frequency, bowel and bladder incontinence, constipation, pelvic pain, pain with intercourse, prolapse, pregnancy and postpartum, and post-prostatectomy concerns. You might be wondering, what will my first visit look like? While every PT treats differently, a typical initial visit begins with a chat about your symptoms. So your therapist will ask questions to get an idea of what's going on. Next, your therapist may assess how your spine is moving, the strength and flexibility in your legs and core, your diaphragm, and any pertinent special tests. It's important to note that internal pelvic floor muscle assessment is never required, and it's often not performed on the first visit. Finally, your therapist will walk you through a personalized home exercise plan and talk you through your plan of care. Next, stay tuned to hear from some real CoreVia patients about their experience with CoreVia Pelvic Health.
Okay, my name is Brian Geller. I had prostate cancer surgery on January 12th of this year. 8 weeks into the recovery, I was introduced to pelvic floor therapy. I got introduced to Abigail and Audrey, and I've been working with them 2 days a week for quite a while now, and I plan on keeping going for till my 30 visits are up and maybe longer. They've been wonderful with me. I don't believe I would be as far as I am without their hot help and guidance. The benefits of this pelvic floor therapy has been astronomical. I'm going through the process of trying to control my bladder, and with the exercises, I highly recommend it to people. It's just been wonderful. I mean, it's night and day compared to what I before I came in here. I thought I was never going to be able to get control again. One of the things I have a friend of ours that he had this prostate surgery, and he hasn't started his therapy yet. And I would stress to him, get therapy. I mean, it's night and day. I mean, I'm one of the people that say, "Oh, I don't need to do that." Well, like I said, when I come here, I get goosebumps because I know the girls are working with me and they are making me better. And so I would stress that to anybody to do that. That's basically everything in a nutshell. I recommend it to everybody.
Hello, my name is Gia. I participated in the CoreVia Pelvic Health program. I worked with Abigail. She was so nice and knowledgeable. I had a baby 2 years ago and came to see Abigail to strengthen my core and pelvic floor. We did exercises and used the ultrasound to learn how to activate my pelvic floor more. Abigail was so nice and amazing, and she's wonderful at her job. I highly recommend the CoreVia program.
If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, reach out to your doctor for a referral for CoreVia Pelvic Health Physical Therapy. If you have any questions, reach out to your local CoreVia location for more information.